Pattern making is an efficient and effective way of taking your original designs and transferring those designs into reality. You'll learn how to use all of the pattern making tools of the trade and how to true your patterns properly for a great fit. Just like the pros, you'll start by learning how to transfer your drape bodice and torso muslins into oak tag slopers. In the industry, these are known as blocks, the foundation for most all patterns. Next, you'll learn how to flat pattern sleeves. Once you've drafted your sleeve slopers, you can start designing an assortment of sleeve styles like the puff, the bell, and the pedal sleeve. We'll teach you how to draft your own basic skirt and pant using body measurements and then transfer those drafts into slopers. Once you have your complete set of slopers, you're ready to start designing. At the intermediate level, we'll demystify the process of drafting personalized patterns from scratch to achieve a customized fit. You'll learn how custom tailors and couturiers measure the body to create patterns for bespoke garments. Once you've reached the advanced level, you're ready to move on to more complex lessons such as patterning jackets, coats, and even leather garments. See our complete list of pattern making lessons. And remember, no matter what your skill level, the University of Fashion has a pattern making lesson to inspire the designer in you.